After a long day of traveling, one of my favorite things to do is to start a skincare routine that works for me. Before moving on into skincare though, I do always remove my makeup, even if I don't have time and it gets a little bit of a hectic schedule, especially on business trips. Removing makeup is one of the best things that you can do for your skin before going to sleep. Do this step before anything else. Once my makeup is removed, it's time to go on into my skincare routine. When I go on business trips, I love taking the Laneige Hydrating Trial Kit. It's a 5-step Korean skincare routine that's all packed into a Ziploc bag that is perfect for traveling with. The first step being the moisturizing foam cleanser for normal to dry skin. I'm going to go ahead and wash my face with lukewarm water so my pores open up a little bit, and taking a pea-sized amount, I'm going to apply this to my face. Now, foaming cleansers are great for removing oil, layers of makeup, and even hard to wash off sunscreen, so it is a must-do step when starting off your skincare. And the Laneige Moisturizing Foam Cleanser has super soft and small suds that remove basically everything that you couldn't remove with that wipe. So it makes my skin super soft, and it really doesn't dry out my already dry skin. Now, moving on into my favorite part of the skincare routine, this is the Laneige Skin Toner for normal to dry skin. And toners definitely are a miracle potion when balancing and calming your skin. It helps balance the moisture levels and pH levels in your skin. I do have a huge bottle of this at home, and I've been using it religiously in my skincare routine, and I'm so glad that there is a travel version that I could take with me in the Laneige Hydrating Trial Kit. Now, after applying 2 or 3 layers of toner, I go ahead and pull out the essence and apply this to my skin. Now, if you don't know what essence is, it's a lightweight hydrating liquid designed to help prepare your skin for moisturizers and cleansers, and it really does help moisturize your skin overall, especially during the winter time. Now, this step isn't necessary, but I always love pampering myself and moisturizing my skin a little bit more, so I do bring an extra sheet mask with me at all times while traveling. This is the Papa's Recipe sheet mask, and it's absolutely amazing. It's so thin, and there's so much serum on it that it's definitely hard to unravel, but once you apply it to your skin, you definitely smell the honey first off, but you feel the moisture being put back into your skin. And sheet masks have a lot of vitamins and moisturizing properties that will help your skin just rejuvenate and bring back the dewy and bounciness into your skin. Now, usually sheet mask, you can leave it on for 10, 20, 30 minutes. I leave it on for about 30 minutes, and during that time, I definitely pull out my phone and scroll through Instagram. It's kind of a bad habit, but if you want to follow me, I'm always on Instagram. So but after my 30 minutes are up, I go ahead and take off the sheet mask. Now, some people make the mistake of washing off all the essence that's left onto your skin, but take the time to massage this into your skin. It's definitely going to help keep the moisture levels there the entire day rather than just the night. Now, moving on into the rest of the skincare, I go ahead and pull out the moisturizer from the pack and apply a little bit all over my face. And I definitely can't skip this step because my skin is so dry. But this moisturizer, I find that it's very creamy, but it doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't feel like sticky. So I love, love, love applying this onto my face. Now, this last step is one of my favorites, and I also consider this the lazy skincare step. This is the Laneige Water Sleeping Mask. Now, if you don't have time for the sheet mask, this is definitely something that you guys should try out. Just even in your daily skincare routine, this is almost like a watery cream that you apply all over your face, and then you just go ahead and sleep with it on. And then in the morning, you wash it off, and it basically recharges your skin, moisturizes your skin while you sleep. It's the best lazy person skincare hack. So I didn't even start this video, so I'm coming here to end the video. I hope you guys really enjoyed that, me showing you guys everything that I love about the Laneige Hydrating Trial Kit. This stuff is actually amazing, and I'm actually going on a business trip tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in my suitcase to pack up. But I really hope you guys did enjoy. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I'm seeing so many new subscribers. So hi, and make sure if you haven't done so already to hit that subscribe button for new videos. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!